So now we're looking at how AN is found. So here I have the code which takes in the sequence and shows you which is the first term, common difference, and if the sequence is an AP or not. If I ask enter the term which we are looking for, like say fourth term. So here we have 3 terms, right? If I ask for fourth term, it is telling 16. That makes sense. 12 plus 4 is 16. And fifth term is 20. Right? So how is it able to do it? So that's what we are trying to understand. So as you can see here, finding the term. So this is where the code lies, right? So as usual, we are checking if the terms, consecutive terms, have the same common difference. So remember, Python is zero indexing. That is, we start with 0 and we go up. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's how it goes up, is it not? See, it's similar to, you can think of it being similar to a lift. So lift always starts with 0, is it not? In India, there are of course European countries wherein it seems it starts with 1. I think France, I guess. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So if you guys know, please do let us know. So they start with non-zeros, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But in India, we start with 0. Zeroth floor, 1, that is the ground floor, right? And we have -1 indicating basement and stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So similarly, even Python starts with 0 indexing. So when we tell this, square brackets and 1, they mean A2. Square brackets in 0 is A1. This is A3 and this is A2. So we're subtracting this 2 and we're checking. This is a question mark. This is not equals to. Is it equal? The question is being asked. So if it's so, then the following code is executed. The sequence is an AP. Common difference is found. How? Clearly you can see it is A2 minus A1. And we are finding the first term, that is A is equal to the first term, A1. Make sense? Then it's printing. So till here, it's not a big deal. And here we have an infinite loop. So what is this infinite loop? Go to Python basic coding. So there I have explained. So here I have n being equal to int, enter the term which we are looking for. So basically n is that we are talking about n itself. I mean, it's pretty clear. So if n is equal to n, then it breaks up. That is, this is how we stop it. Like if I type in n over here, the whole process stops. So that's what we're talking about here. And we're converting the number to int and stuff. So why is it? Again, we need to go to basics of Python. So now coming on to the print statement. The nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is where we have the formula, and that's how it works. Okay, so this is where we have the formula, and that's how it works. Right? So as you can see, the thinking is same. It's a logical way of thinking through. The way we think is where we code. And here the main thing is, I want you guys to understand is, being organized in your thought is very important when you're coding. And mathematically, it's the same thing. Whatever you do on a paper, mathematically, you're doing the same thing, but in a well-structured way. That's it. And that's your coding for you.